Come back to Allah. Don't you understand? He loves you. You will never find happiness. You will never find contentment anywhere. Go. I've been, I've seen, I've tried. You will never find happiness. You only find it with the Lord of happiness, Allah. Everything you're looking for, Allah possesses it. But like scavengers, we're going around like wild beasts, trying to find our own happiness, our own success, failing to understand that it's all with Allah. Just go back to Him, man. Your personal problems, Allah. Your financial problems, Allah, solution. Marital problems, Allah, solution. Family issues, Allah, solution. Business, Allah. Ummah, Allah. Country, Allah. Personal, Allah. Come back to your Lord. Come back to your Lord, my brothers. I'm begging you, man.